Welcome to SideHustles.com. Today, we're diving into Dominoes Gold to find out if it's a legit way to earn money and whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. Dominoes Gold is a mobile app that puts a competitive spin on the classic game of dominoes, offering real cash prizes. Players face off in quick matches, aiming to score points by strategically placing their tiles. With a mix of skill and strategy, Dominoes Gold provides a fun way to enjoy dominoes while earning cash rewards. To enter Dominoes Gold cash tournaments, players must pay entry fees, which vary depending on the game type. The app uses 3 types of in-app credits: Z coins, used only for gameplay within Dominoes Gold or other skills games; tickets, earned through tasks or cash tournaments; and bonus cash, which can also be purchased with tickets at a rate of $1 per 20,000 tickets. Cash winnings are only possible by joining and winning cash tournaments, with higher entry fees generally corresponding to larger prize pools. Tournaments have entry fees ranging from 60 cents to $4.50, with prize pools from $1 to $90. Staying with lower stakes games helped minimize losses. In Dominoes Gold, players can earn in-app credits through various tasks, which can then be used for cash tournament entries. Daily challenges provide rewards based on consecutive app use, while Logan bonuses offer Z coins or tickets just for opening the app. Players can also qualify for leaderboard rankings to compete for tickets by earning medals, and advancing through tiers unlocks additional rewards. Trophies can be redeemed for credits like Z coins, tickets, or sometimes bonus cash, which are earned by reaching milestones. The app includes random sweepstakes for bonus cash and occasionally shares promo codes for extra rewards. Players can also refer friends, earning $1 in bonus cash when a referred friend makes their first deposit. While none of these methods offer direct cash payouts, they provide credits that allow for more cash tournament entries. We spent about 2.5 hours playing Dominoes Gold, and we invested $5 of our hard-earned cash paying entry fees for tournaments. At the end of our testing marathon, our balance was $7.92, but we only received $6.42 after paying a $1.50 withdrawal fee. It's nice that we ended up making money instead of losing it, something that, in our experience, is relatively rare with apps like this. But we ultimately only earned $1.42 for over 2 hours of effort, which is a relatively poor return. Withdrawing money from the Dominoes Gold app can be challenging, with occasional fees and variable processing times. Withdrawals under $10 incur a $1.50 fee, making small withdrawals costly. Although there's no official minimum withdrawal threshold, a balance of at least $1.51 is necessary to cover the fee. While withdrawals can take up to 6 weeks, some are processed quickly, like the same-day payout in our experience. If you're a fan of Dominoes, Dominoes Gold might be worth checking out. It's free to download and includes practice rounds, letting you get comfortable with the gameplay before diving into cash matches. While it likely won't replace a steady side hustle, Dominoes Gold is a fun way to enjoy classic dominoes and potentially earn some extra cash along the way. For more details on apps like Dominoes Gold, visit SideHustles.com. Click the link in the description for more information.